All right, so it looks like we have a DIY mirror design for the first one. So they have a larger mirror here and then two little smaller ones. Cardboard and a few little wooden sticks. It looks kind of like the very popular Z gallery design that she's doing here. You could do straw with these as well, or straws with these. Oh, she spray paints this gold. Definitely my vibe and aesthetic. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I absolutely love this. So she did two smaller ones on the side and one larger one in the mirror. Oh, I absolutely love this idea. Such an easy project to replicate as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seekers. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So moving on to DIY number 2. So we have a pillow here, or not pillow, a balloon. Pillow, what am I talking about? Okay, so most of the time when people do use the balloon, they have it to create a shape of an item. Looks like she is cutting off the top portion. Looks like she might be making a really beautiful vase. Now, I actually like the color that she initially had, but it looks like she's mixing up some gold or some neutral color here. Oh, this is beautiful. Very nice. Nice and simple, easy way to make a vase design. Very cool. Alright, so we have some plant pots here for the next one. Some paint. Now, so far to me, these look like candle holders. Oh yeah, and there's the candles up there at the top. I didn't notice those at first. Oh, this is cute. Another simple, like, easy project. Wow, very cute. And then I'm guessing someone is doing like a vase design here for the next one. We have some lavender. So she tied those together with some twine. And put some candles on top. Oh. So it's like a clear little decor piece, and you can see the lavender at the bottom. That's nice. I love lavender and eucalyptus. They just smell so good. Oh, and you can switch out the flowers, change it with the season. That's a cute idea. Now for this project, I am not sure what she is making here. So we have some clay. Oh, it looks like the little nose. Oh, okay, it looks like a face. Nose. I cannot talk today. Oh, it's a cute vase. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. Wow, that is so cute. Oh, I love that with a little incense. That's nice. All right, and then we move on to IKEA with this placemat. I didn't know that this came in black. Okay, so you can reuse this for multiple different things. We have a vase, a lamp base, a lamp base, a side table, plant pots. So basically go to IKEA and get this placemat because you can use it for multiple different projects. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.